What do you know about automatic guided vehicles? At Heartland Automation and AutoGuide AGV, we've been on the cutting edge of AGV technology for 30 years. We were ICI, but now, as part of the Heartland Group, we're moving forward faster than ever. We are trusted by some of the largest names in the world, but our solutions can help companies big and small. Our AGVs are not school projects, infomercial vacuum cleaners, BattleBots, or humanoid experiments. They can tow 10,000 pounds, go 4 miles per hour, and move products just in time throughout factories 24/7. Made from heavy-duty standard industrial trucks, meeting the most stringent safety codes. Designed and installed by the most experienced professionals in the business. Built in America, and from your order to your call in weeks, not months. So call us today to learn more at Heartland Automation and AutoGuide AGV. Automation solutions that work.